We had some sunshine to start the week, but that's going to be changing as we go through the overnight hours. Latest satellite radar loop shows the clouds on the increase from the northwest. That's going to continue to filter in here. But in the meantime, we're still seeing plenty of clear skies. That's allowing those temperatures to really drop over the course of the day. But even with the sunshine, that really didn't help our temperatures much today. Over the last 12 hours, you can see temperatures only made it up into the middle 30s for highs after starting out in the 20s. So not very much variation in our temperatures today, much cooler than we finished out last week. And this cooler than normal pattern is going to continue. Our average is in the upper 30s, so it's not too unusual from where we should be. Right now, we're seeing those temperatures dip back down into the 20s in several spots, but feeling even cooler when we have that northwest wind blowing out there. Currently at 29 degrees in Charleston, but it's feeling like 23. Have a wind chill of 22 in Champaign, and we currently have a wind chill of 24 degrees over in Decatur. So do expect a chilly night on tap, but we will be staying dry for the time being. Futurecast shows that we will have the clear skies in place, but clouds will be on the increase as we go into the overnight hours. Maybe a little bit of a clearing as we get into tomorrow morning, so maybe some sunshine to start our Tuesday, but then things will be changing as we go into the afternoon. We're expecting a mostly cloudy finish to the day. That's going to be ahead of our next system. But again, Tuesday, not expecting any issues. Our hometown highlight is Edgar County. We're expecting partly sunny skies, again more clouds in the afternoon. East wind at 5 to 10 miles an hour. So we're expecting a high of 36 in Elbridge and Vermilion, 35 in Paris, Brockton, and in Scotland. So all in all, not a terrible Tuesday on tap, but those chances for precipitation will be arriving as we go into the overnight hours. So we'll pick up Futurecast now. This is 9 o'clock at night. We'll still have the mostly cloudy skies in place, but any evening travel will also be okay. It's not until we get into the early morning hours on Wednesday that we start to see the chances for some snow. And here we are at 3 o'clock in the morning. You can see the chances are confined down to our southeastern counties. So Jasper and Crawford County will be first to see this action. And then as we advance this into Wednesday morning, here we are at 7 o'clock. You can see the snow is lifted up to about the Route 16 corridor and points to the south. And I think the heaviest snow is going to be focused along and southeast of Interstate 70 through the course of Wednesday morning. We'll continue to put this into motion. Here we are at noon on Wednesday, maybe a few snow showers wrapping around on the backside of the system, but then it's going to be quickly pushing out of here through the afternoon. And we'll even see some clearing. And as you'll notice, Taylorville, Decatur, up through Monticello and into the Rantoul area, not much of any snow expected with this system. So it's really going to be confined down to our southeastern areas. So our main points with this system and our first chance of snow for the season really is going to be the timing, going to be early Wednesday morning through the early afternoon hours, most of it coming to an end by midday actually. Then the highest snow total southeast of Interstate 70, maybe around an inch, so it's not going to be a major system to deal with. And then very light amounts further to the northwest. Again, places like Decatur and Taylorville may not see anything out of the system, but it could have a possible impact to Wednesday morning's commute, especially again if you're down in our southeastern counties. Before tonight, no issues in sight. Going to be a cold night though. Overnight low down to 22 degrees with partly cloudy skies, light and variable wind. For tomorrow, we'll see those highs climbing back into the middle 30s, so pretty similar to today. Clouds on the increase through the afternoon hours, 26 at 8 a.m. up to 33 by lunchtime, then back down into the lower 30s as we head into 5 p.m. As we look at the next 7 days, the temperatures will remain in the 30s for most of this week. We do see more sunshine Thursday into Friday. Temperatures will climb back into the 40s by the time we get to Friday, into the middle 40s by Saturday, but we'll also see a chance of rain. And then as we head into next week, we're looking a little bit better with more sunshine and temperatures in the middle 40s.